In the quiet crook of Trinity Bay, where the Atlantic breathes in heavy sighs against the limestone, lies Chance Cove. It is a place where the map feels more like a memory, etched into the rugged coastline of Newfoundland. The town is a gallery of geological drama. Here the Ricketts Harbor Trail winds like a ribbon of grit and moss, leading the way to sea stacks that stand like ancient sentinels. The history of Chance Cove is not found in dusty ledgers, but in the lineage of the sea. It began as a sanctuary for those who saw the wealth in the cold currents. Names like Hollett, Smith, and Peddle became synonymous with the soil and the shore. For generations, the community's pulse was tethered to the cod. The chance in the cove's name feels like a nod to the gamble of the North Atlantic, a hopeful prayer offered by sailors seeking refuge from a brewing storm. Like the stunted tuckamore trees that lean away from the gale, the people here developed a strength that is both quiet and unbreakable. They built a life out of rock, wood, and salt. Today, Chance Cove is a soft collision of the old world and the new. The community has opened its heart to the wanderer. It is no longer just a fishing station, but a destination for those seeking the sublime, that specific Newfoundland cocktail of terrifying beauty and profound peace. The locals remain the stewards of this edge-of-the-world magic, offering a nod of greeting that feels as sturdy as the cliffs themselves. For one moment, time stands still. One moment, wheels shan't spin. Intrusive thoughts eroded, silence felt from within. Thornlea is a place where the Atlantic doesn't just meet the land, it carves it, whispering ancient secrets to the rugged cliffs of the Avalon. Once known as Broad Cove, the community's roots sunk deep into the rocky soil and saltwater brine. In the 19th century, it was a sanctuary for those who lived by the rhythm of the silver thaw and the seasonal pulse of the cod. The name was changed to Thornlea in the early 1900s, a softer title for a place built on the hard, honest labor of the sea. Today, Thornlea is a quiet testament to Newfoundland resilience. It is a collection of homes perched where the air tastes of salt and spruce, a place where the Trinity Bay breezes carry the low hum of distant boat engines, to where winding roads trace the contours of a landscape that refuses to be tamed. The light at golden hour turns the barrens into a canvas of deep ochre and emerald. It is a community where the kettle is always on, a pocket of the world where time slows down enough for you to hear the story of the wind. To stand on its shores is to feel the weight of generations who looked out at the same horizon, finding beauty in the isolation and strength in the salt air.